I don't remember the silence in the cities. And honestly, I like this silence. Oh my god, let's look at this. The Alice found a... Alice, come on, come here, Alice. Don't, wait. Alice, wait. That's dangerous. That's so dangerous, Alice. Give it to me. No, don't eat this. Don't eat this, Alice. No. Find another hedgehog thorn. Look at this. We didn't see any other animals. We just find a footprint. Today was a long day. Oh, come on, buddy. I'm saying something. Huh? A little bit of respect. I just want a little bit of respect, bro. Hey, did you see my hammer? If you... I will cut him. No. Now, come here. There is a strange fog where I am right now. I can see 1 meter in front of me. That's amazing. You can see all the white. It's like white pepper. But no, it's definitely real. My hand is freezing right now. I can feel my hand. I feel like a real Vikings. I had my eggs and I'm in a foggy day and the foggy place.
It feels good that people are in constant interaction with nature. Although I'm tired, it does not bother me. I think the thing that challenged me the most during my stay here was loneliness.
They need a meal. Okay. Hey, come on, guys. Oh my God. Yeah, the most difficult things in this village, probably is the cold. I can't warm. The main question is that, could you live here or would you live here? I don't know. That's the hard question for the city guy because all of things is so easy in the cities. But this place is the real life. This place is really, really hard. And you need to know all of things. How can you do? But I don't know. Probably it's hard for the city guy. I'm so alone in this village, and actually that's another hard point. But yeah, I'm try. If you had an idea for the challenge or another content, you can write comment and I can do that in this village because I'm completely free in this village and the nature. And yeah, that's easy for me. I can try that. Please subscribe and like the video. We are searching a rabbit, maybe a bird, something like that. I don't know, could we find, but we're trying. And also Alice with me, with us. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, hey, what's up, girl? Oh, ah.